Over the years, my role's changed a lot. Came into the business basically working in our materials engineering group, basically working for our senior materials engineer. So I kind of learned our business from the raw materials and the finished compound up to the molded parts. Had a little bit less interaction on the customer side, a little bit more on the materials and our buy side, but over the years that's obviously changed a lot. So at this point I've now got operations responsibility for our plant in Taizhou, China, and for our plants in Virginia and Missouri. So through being the point person on operations, there tends to be more customer interaction now. Customer interaction is really important to the relationship. When we work with our customers and when we bring new customers on board, we're really partnering with these customers. They're very long development, very long sell cycles, and oftentimes the products are in production for years and sometimes even decades. So that good, close, intimate customer relationship is critical to a long-term relationship. And satisfying the customer, and we have to do that every day with every shipment. The amount of change and the pace of change has been pretty incredible. One, a lot of it's due to the fact that we just have great people. You don't have a great company without great people. It's people that make the company. It's not the machines. It's not actually the products that we make. It's the people, because that's how we get to the end product. That's how we, win customers over. So we wouldn't be able to make the changes and make the progress and work through all the innovative processes that we've gone through, whether it's innovative products, innovative molding, innovative compounding techniques, or innovative materials, as well as the innovative finishes that we've had over the years, the thermidol process. Again, a lot of great people really spending a lot of time doing the hard work to figure that out. So the changes that I've seen over the years, I've been, it's been a real pleasure to be part of that change. And Scott is our CEO and president, and my brother has been a great change agent in terms of the development of the company. But we literally went from a 2 location when we started to now 5 locations, 6 locations, including our Shanghai sales office. And the pace of change, as I mentioned, continues to grow and increase. The difficulty of the products and the demand of the customers has continued to change and evolve, and we've had to change and evolve with that. So it continues to challenge us, both internally and our customers externally, to continue to develop and continue to change our internal processes and to change our products to meet the demands of customers. Several things that makes us unique, especially compared to a lot of our competitors in the industry. Kind of where we came from was what we would call more of a shoot and ship parts supplier. Those days, they're kind of gone. Shoot and ship product, it's really about a single molded part, what's the highest quality, lowest price you can get it for. Today, customers oftentimes are looking for a lot more than that. They don't just want a good part molded in a box. They want a part that either has been differentiated through finishings, through assembly works, so that they're getting more of a finished product that they can easily put on their assembly lines to lower their overall cost. The value add of assembling multiple parts together, of bringing in purchase components, putting assemblies together, adding screws, gaskets, clips, coatings, different things like that are something that are value add for the customer that we can supply them with.